are based in Bolton, England. They made their debut in July 2006 with the launch of the TKR. They built 4 cars since its launch: the SKR, TKR, ZKR and the Bolt. At the racing car show, Autosport International 2016, Keating Supercars unveiled a road version of the Bolt to be sold in the US. Anthony Keating is the founder and CEO of Keating Supercars and designer of the Keating SKR, TKR and ZKR. Keating was born in Manchester, UK and took a course at the Automobile Engineering Institute at the University of Bolton, UK. Keating graduated with an MBA in business in 2012 and, together with students from the University of Bolton, hopes to build and make the Keating Bolt, the world's fastest production car, reaching more than 300 miles per hour. Keating Supercars plan to sell around 30 cars a year. Keating Supercars models. Keating Barris. Keating Barris. The Barris was unveiled at the Top Marcus Monaco show in April 2017. Taking its name from the venomous snake Vipera barris, with a host of impressive features, the Barris comes in 2 versions. With an alleged top speed of 230 mph plus and 0 to 60 mph in 2.4 seconds, citation needed, the V8 Barris is the latest addition to the Keating range. There is also the electric Barris available with 201 to 402 HP, 150 to 300 kW, and 1054 lb-ft, 1429 Nm, of torque. Keating Bolt. The Bolt, launching in 2013, and designed to outperform supercar competition using high-tech lightweight materials to reduce the power-to-weight ratio, but aiming to increase the car's performance figures to a top speed of 340 mph. The Bolt's engine design is based on a Chevrolet V8, but almost all the other components are engineered by Keating Supercars and other UK companies. Citation needed.